Hi, my name is Sean from Arani. Today I'll be presenting our adjustable gimbal lights, which are available in white, in black, and brushed nickel. They can be adjusted in 360 degrees all around, left or right, up and down. And one of their main advantages is that for the same light, we can have the 4-inch trim, but also we can remove the trim and simply install a 3-inch trim instead. And now we have a 3-inch light. At the back of the trim, we have a gasket to protect against dust and water. And also their junction boxes are very slim, so they're easy to slide in spaces when we don't have too much height. Inside the junction box, we have connectors for the wires. We can also see inside the box, we receive an installation instructions, and we receive the product itself, which on the black, we can see once we install the black trim, for example, this is what they look like. And we have the junction box as well inside the box. Now I'll be showing you some of their installation advantages. Alright, now I'll be showing the installation of the product. We are going to assume that this is our ceiling and the wire is coming in through the hole. We'll start with the junction box. We can pass the wire inside the junction box using any of the 3 knockouts. There's knockouts on both sides and at the end. Inside the box, we have connectors provided. These connectors can take up to gauge 14, and their advantage is that each one of the holes has its own plate. So if we have one plugged in, if we plug in another one, it's not going to pop out from the other side. So we're going to put this in, and then we would be connecting our wires coming in from line voltage. Then once we've made all of our connection and the junction box is closed, we can very easily pass it through the hole. It would go through and there would be the wire coming out. Now the next step is to make the connection of the wire with the fixture. And once that connection is made, we can even lock and twist it. Then we would either make the adjustment to the angle that we want at this stage, but after also it is adjustable after installation. It's just a little harder and more firm to make sure that it stays in place. Then we would open the 2 springs, slide one inside, the other one, and the product will just hold in place.